clean, clean up, up, clean out, clear out, clear out. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about the verbs clean, clean up, clean out, and clear out. Let's start with clean and clean up. In most cases, I feel like you can really use both of these words, interchange them, and the meaning is not affected that much. However, I think that clean has a broader and more general meaning. For example, I could say, I clean my house every week. I don't, I wish, but so my general cleaning behavior. Whereas clean up can have a more specific goal, like I'm going to clean up the kitchen after lunch. So there's a specific mess that I'm going to clean. I clean up the kitchen after lunch. So here, my cleaning has a specific target. Now with clean out, this is where we clean the inside of something. So we remove what is inside, we clean the space, and then we probably put something back. Maybe we reorganize what was there before. For example, you could clean out your closet. You could clean out the refrigerator if there's a lot of old food in your refrigerator, it's dirty and it needs to be emptied, cleaned, and then reorganized. I'm cleaning out my closet. So maybe I'm going to give away some clothes that I don't wear anymore. Then I'm going to clean my closet and then I'll put everything back. Now with clear out, it can seem very similar to clean out. Clear out has a more permanent feeling. So I take everything out of a room or a container and I don't necessarily put it back. So for example, I could say I cleared out my desk at work. Maybe it was my last day, so I cleared out my desk. I'm not coming back. Or everyone cleared out of the room. They left. All right, everyone, I hope this was helpful. The differences between some of these verbs can be very, very small, so feel free to ask me questions if you have them.